From the moment of incubation to the final stage of raising, every aspect of the broiler's life cycle is meticulously managed in this modern facility.
Every year, billions of chickens begin life inside careful controlled systems like this.
Modern poultry production starts long before an egg is laid.
Corn and soybeans form the nutritional backbone of poultry feed.
Millions of tons of feed crops are stored and monitored year-round. Separate breeder farms supply fertile eggs for the entire system.
Each breeder hen lays fertile eggs with remarkable consistency.
Eggs are collected multiple times each day.
Storage conditions preserve embryo viability. Eggs are prepared for transport to hatcheries. The hatchery is where life truly begins. Automated systems grade every egg.
Incubation begins under exact conditions.
Temperature and turning are continuously regulated.
Regular turning supports embryo development.
Handling identifies non-viable eggs.
Final incubation prepares chicks for hatching.
Conditions shift for emergence.
On day 21, hatching begins. Chicks are prepared for farms.
Broiler farms receive day-old chicks.
Temperature and air quality are automated.
Nutrition changes as birds grow.
Disease prevention is critical.
Daily health checks are routine.
Birds reach market size in weeks. Feed is withdrawn before transport.
Final checks confirm readiness.
scale defines modern poultry farming.
Each stage connects seamlessly.
Welfare supports productivity.
This process feeds a nation. This is modern chicken production.
Production continues around the clock.
Stable environments reduce stress.
Daily cycles are precisely managed.
Farms operate as connected systems. Logistics sustain uninterrupted flow.
Every stage depends on the next. Precision defines modern production.
This is how modern chicken production works.
Final health checks are mandatory.
Temperature control remains critical. Loading follows strict timing.
Conditions are verified before departure.
Transport begins without delay. Each facility supports the next. This is precision at national scale.
Logistics link farms to markets.
This system feeds a nation.
Nothing here is accidental.
This is modern chicken production in America.